everyone. In this last installment of Is It a Function, we're going to determine whether or not an expression is a function from its graph. And we have a convenient way of doing that called the vertical line test. The vertical line test says that a set of points in the plane is the graph of a function if and only if no vertical line crosses the graph in more than one point. So here are some examples. The vertical line test is really easy to use. So here's the graph of a circle. We want to know, is it a function? So is this the graph of a function? So we use the vertical line test. Can I find a vertical line that I draw that crosses the graph in more than one point? This vertical line crosses the graph in 2 points. So no, this is not a function. It's still the graph of something, it's just not the graph of a function. So still a graph, just not of a function. It's the graph of an equation or a relation, but not of a function. In this example, I can draw any vertical line I want is going to cross the graph in just a single point. So this one is a function. I can't find a vertical line which crosses more than once. This example, I'll try some vertical lines. This one looks like it might cross in 2 spots. It definitely crosses here, but since I have an open hole here, it only crosses once. Through this nice curve, it only crosses once. Here it doesn't even cross at all. Through this line it only crosses once. So this one is also a function. And in this final example, it's sort of a sideways parabola. If I drew the line here, it might only cross once. But anywhere else I draw it, it crosses twice. So since it crosses more than once, so it's the graph of a relation, but not a function. So that's all there is to it for the vertical line test. If you're interested in the why, there's a video coming up that explains why each of these tests, the algebraic, the table, and the vertical line test, work the way that they do.